How to buy $GPTW GPT Wars token crypto coin. How to buy GPTW MEXC Global base AI agents game tours Uniswap. Sup everybody, HelperDog here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today, we're diving into the GPT Wars token. The token's ticker symbol is GPTW, and this token just got a brand new central exchange listing, starting today, January 23rd. We're going to break down everything you need to know about this token and how you can get your hands on it in just 1 second. But before we jump in, just a quick reminder. I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research before investing in anything, especially crypto, since crypto can be very volatile. Also, there are tons of referral codes in the description box. Check them out for the best crypto apps, where you can get free money, free rewards, and free crypto just by using those referral codes and funding your account. Referral codes benefit both of us, so go ahead and check them out, and let's get into the token. GPT Wars Token Overview. Token ticker, GPTW. Launch date, listed on MEXC Global as of January 23rd, 13 hours UTC time. Website, GPTW.WARS, where you can find their full white paper and more info. Blockchain, base chain, max total supply, 1 billion tokens. Decimal places, 18 decimals. Initial market cap, $40,500. How to get GPTW token. The GPT Wars token just got listed on MEXC Global. If you don't have an MEXC Global account, I've got a referral code in the description that you can use. Here's how you can grab it. Open an account using the MEXC Global referral link in the description box. Fund your account with USDT. Head to the trade section, search for GPTW, and buy the token. That's it, easy. You can also find the token on DEX Tools and DEX Screener, so feel free to check those out as well. What is GPT Wars? GPT Wars is a Game Plus AI hybrid project aiming to revolutionize gaming by integrating AI agents into a AAA first-person shooter game. The game allows players to create and earn their own autonomous AI players, AIPs. You can check out the pre-alpha version of the game by downloading it from Hyperplay at hyperplay.xyz. There's also a trailer online that you can watch to get a sneak peek of the game. GPTW Token Utilities. Game access. Spend GPTW tokens to unlock exclusive in-game events, premium content, and tournaments. In-game purchases, use GPTW to buy skins, upgrades, and other in-game assets. Ecosystem rewards. Earn GPTW through gameplay, completing tasks, or interacting with AI agents. Strategic token distribution. With 1 billion tokens total supply, the majority will be allocated to gameplay rewards, ensuring continuous incentives for active players. What makes GPT Wars special? AI agents. Players can create autonomous AI agents that perform tasks in the game, autonomously adapting to the environment and interacting with players in dynamic, personalized ways. AI agent features. Autonomy. Operates independently without constant human input. Reactivity. Adapts to environmental changes, responding to inputs. Proactivity. Takes actions to meet goals and anticipates future states. Adaptability. Learns from past experiences to improve performance over time. Immersive gameplay. With AI agents, the game environment feels alive and adaptive to your choices, offering a more dynamic and personalized experience. Security and transparency. The GPTW token and its smart contract have been audited by reputable firms, ensuring a secure and reliable infrastructure for all transactions within the platform. Gameplay. Free to play. Players enter the game and must face waves of attacking robots in survival mode. AI integration. AI agents will make the game world feel more alive, react to player actions, and create more immersive stories and experiences. Final thoughts. GPT Wars is a fascinating project that blends AI technology with gaming to create dynamic and personalized player experiences. With its central exchange listing, it's gaining traction quickly. If you're into innovative AI-based gaming projects, GPTW could be one to watch. Let me know in the comments. What do you think about GPT Wars? Is it something you'd invest in? Or are you just interested in the game itself? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for daily updates on the newest coins and tokens. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day out there, and peace out.